let's do some exercises, guys. Ayan. Every day, guys, I'm doing like this every day to maintain my body figure. And, ayan. This is my ano. Ayan. I'm so guys. Ayan, look. Ayan, guys. I'm so happy of my fashion for today, guys. Look, the blue color, guys. I really love it. The crop top, guys. It's very affordable for only 50 pesos, guys. I buy it for only 50 pesos. I really love it. Look, guys, my fashion for today. Ayan, guys. I'm so happy of this, guys. Ayan. One of my favorite color is blue. Blue color. So, when I found out, nung nakita ko siya sa mall, guys, na naka-sale siya, ayan, binili ko kaagad, guys, kasi napakamura niya lang, guys, for only 50 pesos, o saan ka pa, ayan, may pangrampa na naman ako, guys, hindi lang siya pang bahay, guys, ayan, panlakad pa siya, guys, o tingnan nyo naman, guys, o diba, ang ganda ng kanyang ano, I really love it. Ayan, guys, oh, ang ganda ng kanyang ano, kahit sa ano siya i-partner, guys, yung aking ano, ayan, o diba, ang ganda, it's blue color, ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. So, I'm doing exercises like this, guys, every day to flat my tummy, ayan, just doing like this every day, ayan. Stretch lang siya, guys. Ito, look, my legs, guys, become bigger now because I'm doing squat every day, doing like this every day. Ayan, just to flat. Oh my god, ayan po yung aking ginagawa daily, guys, just to maintain my body figure, my legs exercise, guys, like this every day. I'm doing like this every day. A legs exercise. Ayan. To bigger my hips and to bigger my legs. O, diba? My simple workouts at home. Yan. Doing like this every day. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. I'm doing squat also, like this, squat every day, guys. Ayan, to bigger my butt, guys. Ayan. So that's it for today, guys. I feel tired. Ayan.